this particular video, I'll be showing you how to develop a cryptocurrency investment website step by step. This is not just an ordinary crypto investment website. This is an advanced crypto investment website with awesome unique features. I will show you the features of the website, both the admin and the user dashboard. Before we go straight to the step-by-step video guide on how you can achieve something like this on your own. So this is the website. As you can see right now, this is the front page of the website. It looks awesome. So there are other pages. We have the About Us page, we have the plans, we have the review, contact us, and register, and then login. So what I will do right now is that I will need to register as a user so that you will see how the user dashboard looks. Thereby, I will move to the admin dashboard. I will also show you the various features of the admin dashboard, which you will achieve once you get this particular Bitcoin investment script. So to register as a user, I will need to click on this particular button here. So this is the user registration page of the website. I will type in my username, then I'll type in my full name, then my email address. So I'll type in my phone number, then my password. So select a country. I'll select any country over here. And if you have a referral ID, you can put it here. But if you don't have it, you move over to the registration button. I'll click on the register. So as you can see right here, this is the user registration page. This is how the user dashboard looks when your clients register on this particular website. This is how they're going to see their user dashboard. As you can see, this looks awesome. It looks very organized and they are beautiful. So when you created this particular account, as you can see over here, the account balance is showing $0. The total profit is showing $0. The total bonus, total referral bonus, total investment plan, and the rest are all showing 0. That's because no transaction had been made on this particular account. So as you can see, this is also the dashboards. So these are all the features that are attached to the user dashboard. So we go over here. You will see the profit record. So there is no record right now. You have see your arrow history. So we don't have any history right now because this is a fresh account we just created. If you're enjoying this video so far and you'd like to be seeing more interesting videos like this, then go ahead and subscribe to Ladder Business now. So you can also see over here we have the transaction history. Okay, we don't have any transaction history. You can see our crypto exchange, so you can also exchange. Your client can also exchange their cryptocurrency over here. You can decide to exchange your Bitcoin to Electrum. So that's how awesome this particular Bitcoin investment script is. And also, we have to subscribe to a plan. This is where we have the investment plan. As you can see right now, we have 4 investment plans on this particular account. I'm going to show you all the step-by-step guide on how you can create an investment plan from the admin dashboard. So this is just the user dashboard. I want you to understand how the user dashboard works. Before we move over to the admin dashboard, you can add more plans. From the admin dashboard, you can edit the already created plan. So that's for the plans. We have my investments. So if you've invested in this particular website, when you click on my investment, you will know your active investment. So there is no investment currently on this particular account. So that place is showing empty. You do not have a package at the moment. That's why it's like that. And also, we also have a referral user. So if anyone user refers to you, if you will refer to an already existing user, so your referral will be showing in this particular section. So that's all about the dashboard. So what we need to do now is that we need to add a fund. So you can see right here, we have the fund of your account. We have to withdraw funds. So if you want to fund your account, you have to click on this particular section. Let's say fund your account. Then you put the particular amount you want to fund. Let's say we want to fund, let's say $1,000. Want to fund our account with $1,000. Then you select your payment method. So as an admin of this particular website, you have to, and then you can add as many payment methods as possible. You can add Bitcoin. You can even add direct bank transfers. You can add it from the admin dashboard. So those are the available payment methods that are already added from the admin dashboard. You can add as many payment methods as possible. So let's say I want to make use of this particular Bitcoin payment. I'll click on it. Okay, you will see it showing your payment method. You have chosen to pay with Bitcoin payment. So I will click to proceed to payment. So this is the company Bitcoin wallet address. This is where you will put your Bitcoin wallet address so that your clients come and copy the Bitcoin wallet address and make payment to it. So as you can see here, you're to make payment of $1,000 using your selected payment method, screenshot and upload the proof of your payment Bitcoin payment method. So after making the payment, you have to upload the script, the screenshot of your proof of payment for confirmation purposes. Alright, so let's see, after uploading the particular proof, then you will come over here and click on submit. Now you need to upload something here. Let me just select this one as a proof. Alright, then I'll click on submit payment. So as you can see right now, account for success. Please wait for the system to validate this transaction. So it's now left for the admin of this particular website to approve this particular payment. That if you receive it, then if you did not receive it, you can decide to decline or delete this transaction. So now we'll go back. We'll go to admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard of this particular website. As you can see, the admin dashboard looks so organized. So what I'll need to do now is to approve this particular transaction is that I'll click on manage the slash. So we have a manage deposit. We have managed to withdraw. So we made a deposit from the user account. So I'll click on manage deposit right here. So this is the account who made the deposit with. As you can see, the amount is $1,000 and the payment method is a Bitcoin payment and the status is currently pending. So I need to approve this particular transaction now before it reflects on the user account. So let me go back to the user account. Now I'll refresh the account. So this is the referral bonus. So you can set the account. So maybe a $5 bonus whenever a user registers. If we get $5 on this account, so I'll show you how to see that also. So now I'll need to approve this particular $1,000 Bitcoin payment. Now, so that it will reflect on the account, I will click on the process. You can see right now the status has changed to process. So I'll go over to the account. So the user accounts are refreshed so that we will see if the $1,000 is showing here. So as you can see right now, the $1,000 is showing on the user account. It was $5 before, but now you can see it's now showing $1,005. So that's how to credit the user account. That is how to approve funds, user funds, so that it will show in his or her account. So that's for the user dashboard. The user can now invest in his or her preferred plan. You can go to subscribe to a plan, then you select the particular plan the user wants to invest on. You can invest on the startup plan. We have the premium, we have the professional, we have the bronze. So let's see if I want to invest in this particular one. As you can see here, we have the minimum deposit and the maximum deposit. You can change the plan. This is just for sample. Let's say I want to invest $20. I'll click on the join plan. As you can see here, now we have you successfully purchased a plan and your plan is now active. If I click on this particular section, I said my investment. Now you see my active here. Plan here. So this is my active plan. This is because I've already invested in this premium package. So that is why it is not showing here. So you will see your ROI, which is $20. Then we have the interval weekly. We have an $80 duration. So you can change settings to suit the type of work you're doing. So as I said, this is just for educational purpose. I'm just trying to let you know what you will get from this particular script. So we have, let's say the user wants to withdraw. You click on to withdraw funds, then you have to confirm the password. After confirming the password, you click on continue. User has to select the payment method he or she wants to make use of. Let's say I want to make use of this one. So we say enter the amount to withdraw. Then we have, let's say we want to withdraw $500. Then you see this particular section, the OTP. So you will need to contact the admin of the website so that the admin will generate this OTP for the client to complete its withdrawal. We say OTP will be sent to your email when you request it. So we say enter the Bitcoin payment address. So the user has to input your Bitcoin payment address in this particular section. Then click on the complete request. All right, but we don't want to make a withdrawal right now. I'm just showing you how to withdraw how withdrawal process works. As you can see, everything works perfectly well. These are awesome. So we'll move over to the admin section right now. Then I will explain the step-by-step guide on how to change things from the admin section. So I'll log into the administration. This is the administration. So let me go back to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the admin. So we have investment plans. So you can create a new investment plan from this particular session. As you can see right now, we have the starter, premium, professional, and then bronze. So you can add a new plan, and also you can decide to change. You can edit your already existing plan also. So you can just click on this particular session and do the necessary change you need. So after making up the necessary change, you click on update plan. So that is how to update plans from the admin dashboard, and also you can delete plans. So you just click on the particular section here to delete the plan. You can delete all the plans, then create new ones. So this particular section talks about managing users. So in this particular section, all the registered users, this is where you will see them. Those are the registered users on this particular website right now. And you can see this is the client name, we have the account balance, we have the email address, we have their phone numbers, we have the status of the particular account, then we have the date registered. So if you want to manage a particular user account, this is where you will do that. Let's say I want to manage this account, so I'll click on manage. So I'll click on manage. It will direct me to this particular session. Then if I want to perform any action on this account right now, then I'll click on this particular session here as its action. You see login activity. So in this particular session, you can track a particular user. Login activity also has a block. You can block a user account from this particular session, and also you can turn off trades. You can credit or debit a user account. You can even reset the user password. You can clear account. You can add trading history. You can edit a user account. You can send the user an email. You can also log in as the user. As you can see, these are all some investment scripts. So those are my features you are seeing in this particular script right now. You can log in a user account even without having a password. You can even change or reset the user password. You can delete the particular account. This is awesome. Let me see. I want to create a user account without the user making payment directly for me. So our account, can decide to credit the account. So I'll click on this credit/debit. Let's say I want to credit the account with $5,000. So let's where to credit or debit. So I'll click on the fee bonus profit. So you have to select, let's say I want to click on the profit, I want to click on profit, then I'll come over here and say let's credit to add debit to subtract. So I hope you understand what that section say. So let's credit to add and debit to subtract. So let's say I want to credit the account, I don't want to debit the account, then I'll click on submit. So I've successfully added $5,000 to a user account. Guys, these are awesome scripts. So it's already showing on my admin dashboard here, $5,000. So as profit, it's already showing as profit. So I will go over to the user account right now, then refresh. So let me click on dashboard and add some awesome. So as you can see right now, $5,000 is already showing on the user account as this total profit. So the user can withdraw this amount now. So once the user login, you will see this particular $5,000 on his account as a profit. So you may decide to withdraw it. This is awesome. The next thing I will do right now is let's go back to the admin dashboard. I'm not through yet. So we'll go. I already showed you the manage deposit. Then we have the manager withdraw. Whenever a user places a withdrawal, so it will show here. Withdraw, it will show here. Then you can either approve or decline the withdrawal. So you will see all the users that are requesting withdrawal in this particular session. I say manage withdrawal. So then we have the administrative session. So in this particular session, you can add admin. You can decide to make a user admin, or you can just create an admin account over here. So that's it for those. Then we have the settings. We have the website setting. We have the app setting here. So this is where you are able to manage the website information. So you can place the website name. So you can change this particular one to your company name. Then we have this website title. You can change this as well. We have the website URL, so you can change this. You can change everything. Then you can add your website logo here, then your website icon. So guys, these are good scripts. I will be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can upload this particular website. So I'll be giving you access to this script I used to develop this particular website. So I'll be leaving a link in the description of this particular video. So in case you want to download it, you can always click on the link. So we will get started with the step-by-step video guide where we will be showing you how to create this particular website from scratch in the next video.